Hi, this is Leanne introducing. Hello everybody, this is Leanne speaking. I'm from Shenghai Aluminum. Look, this is our office. And here is the account office, engineer office, and my boss office is upstairs. Here is the check-in area. I'm so happy to invite you to have some Chinese tea here. So now let's introduce our factory. Look, our factory is about 200,000 square meters, and about 100 employees is working here. Look, this profile is to the Philippines, and we will pack the profile with shrimp. And in order to conveniently load the container and fully loaded, we will put some small profile into the big profile. Look, this small profile into the big profile. Look, here's some space, and we will fill it. And here is our workplace. Our worker is ready to load the profile. Let's start the introduction from the beginning. Here are some aluminum scrap, but we don't use this scrap to make the profile. If we use the aluminum scrap to make the profile, our profile will be so dark. Worker is moving the aluminum back to the extreme machine. And here's our project is start from here, aluminum bar. And we have many size aluminum bar. For example, this one is 110 millimeter diameter, and this one is 5.8 length. We also have some small and short aluminum bar, and some long and big aluminum bar. So here, look, start from here, and here, this is our heating machine. This one's also heating machine. Look, our master will put the aluminum bar into this heating machine to heat the aluminum bar and cut it into a short length. Then our master will put the aluminum bar into this extrusion machine. A mold is in the extrusion machine. After he put the aluminum bar into it, he will extrude it into a profile. Look, the profile is complete. After they extrude the profile is very soft. So we use the machine to pull straight. Long times ago, we pull the profile into straight by worker, not machine. And we will cut the length what you want here. Look, the machine is pulling the profile from the extrusion machine. This is the casting machine. And if you need 6 meters, I will make about 30 meters profile and cut the two sides. Then we cut into a half. So we will have some aluminum scrap here. As I said, we don't use the aluminum scrap to make the profile. We store the profile here and here. Look, here is the temperating machine. We use the temperating machine to make the profile become hot. We also use the machine to move the profile. Look, our beautiful girl is packing the machine, packing the profile. Look. So carefully, right? This is our profile to the Philippines. and we will pack with the PE film and in each profile. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 profile will be one bundle. Every bundle we also can pack with the sheet. That's all, and thanks for your attention, and welcome to visit our factory anytime. Bye.